You know Les got them hits, right?
I'm on show when I proved it. I know the industry rules. It really a threat, knows. Yeah. Bet on myself and I proved it. I know the industry ruthless. I'm really a threat, a nuisance. The Chevy a drop it is ruthless. Think I'm the one and I proved it. I know the industry foolish. Think we see in the movies. It really ain't dropped out of cooling.
Look at me struggle, I'm right on the bubble. I'm making it pop or being a fly. I'm in the huddle, created a hustle. When I'm at the bottom, you see me a lot. I know the industry scheming a lot. Been in this lot and I'm seeing the plot. It feel like summer again when I drop. Call up the label, say give me a lot. My life a movie like Steven Seagal. Regular scheming, I leave it to y'all. I gotta hide when we in the mall. The bigger you are, the harder you fall. And signing no paper if I ain't the one that created it. Bigger than father, you mean? I be the type to figure it out and figure a route to eat with the team.
Bet on myself and I proved it. I know the industry ruthless. I'm really a threat, a nuisance. The Chevy a drop it is ruthless. Think I'm the one and I proved it. I know the industry foolish. Think we'll see in the movies. It really ain't dropped out of cooling.
Look at my hustle, I'm right on the bubble. I'm making it big and staying at home. Pay me an equity, please. The money you offer don't never do shit when it's gone. I did the stand, Sylvester Stallone. Walk in the booth like honey, I'm home. I leveled up, they think I'm a clone. Just shot a video, crashed the drone. My life a movie like Jaden and Will. And this shit directed by Jordan Peele. I said I'm the boy for real. The boy gon' run this scheme to a meal. Big ain't signing no paper if I ain't the one that created it. Boy for real. I be the type to figure it out and figure a route to eat with my team.
Bet on myself and I proved it. I know the industry ruthless. I'm really a threat, a nuisance. The Chevy a drop it is ruthless. Think I'm the one and I proved it. I know the industry foolish. Think we'll see in the movies. It really ain't dropped out of cooling.
Beside me, yeah, alright. Sometimes I don't know what to do. Sometimes I don't know what to do. Break the law, I just won't go hard on the street. I'm a dog, yeah, I might just bark on the beat. Break her heart, I don't like to talk when it's cheap. Thank the Lord, she can't find nobody to compete. Yeah, she ain't got no time left to eat up. Even though I make the kitty sing. Ask me what we doing when we meet up. Don't know why she work, better bring young nigga know I'm certified. Dim the lights, I ain't trendy, but I take my time. Get it right, I was sitting in that holding cell. Where was you? Don't be acting like you know me well. Tell the truth, tell the truth. Do it for the homies, I need fame on the block. Every day, know they blowing Mary Jane by the block. Used to see them Chevy rims spinning when the wheels stop. Shawty know I love her, but the trail never stopped. Just stay around. To prepare ourselves for embarrassment. Every minute spent with somebody you love, you should just cherish it. Trying to be cool, trying to act like I don't need love when I do. I can see through lies told to myself, trying to find something true. Honestly, I wish she would stay around, hold it down. Shooters always miss, did too much to quit. Play it out, I don't know who fault, I don't really care. Lay it down, all the pain in life, don't compare to this. Stay around.